The Geospatial Machine Learning Model Catalog, or the GML-MC, is really an attempt to document key metadata about machine learning models that operate on Earth observation or EO data in a way that makes them more discoverable and more usable for a broader audience. So let's say you're a nonprofit that's hoping to use machine learning to track deforestation in sub-Saharan Africa. You could train your own land cover model, but that requires expertise in machine learning, in EO data, Earth observation data, land cover classification, not to mention the financial and other resources that might be required to create the training data that you would need and also to actually train the model. So what if instead you could build off of training data that was already produced by other organizations or retrain similar models to be more accurate in your area of interest? This kind of discoverability and reusability is exactly what we're trying to enable with the GML-MC. Our hope is that by making machine learning training data sets and models more discoverable and reusable, we make these tools more accessible to a more diverse set of organizations and individuals. I'm proud to be working for an organization that is dedicated to making machine learning for Earth observation more accessible to a diverse range of users. I really appreciate the fact that we take such a holistic approach to this work, focusing not just on building technology, but also on developing community and building capacity around the globe through training and education. My wife and I met in the coastal redwood forest of California, just north of Santa Cruz, and so I've always felt a special connection to those trees. They have such a long history, and each tree can be sort of its own ecosystem in and of itself. And so I think having access to that kind of memory and that kind of complexity would be really amazing.